Can you get rich investing in the jewelry space? You want to invest or get into what you know and understand. And the jewelry industry is probably one of the quickest places you can totally lose your shirt because it's very complex, and understanding wholesale, retail, liquid price, consignment price, cash flow, what type of goods to own, what type of goods to consign. And because it's very overhead centric and it takes so much cash to turn product, it's a very specialized thing. So most people in the jewelry trade are not thriving. There's a fewer group of people that continue to really thrive and grow. So as a young person setting out, unless you have some sort of advantage that you've grown up in it or you've been around it for a long period and you can spot inefficiencies in the market or see things differently and you're really passionate about it, I would get into it. If you're just looking for a return on capital or to become wealthy, there are easier paths to choose. I will say, like anything else, if you're really, really good at it, there's enormous opportunity. But one thing that Diamond Bank does, right, we have to make cash offers. You can go to any of our 13 offices any day. We are fully loaded checkbook to buy and evaluate anything of value. So we spend hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars every day. Well, there's no magical book we can look up and say, oh, what is this 1984 Patek worth that has aftermarket parts, right? We have to understand the market. Or what is this 3-carat diamond that has strong fluorescence and it's an off color? What is the liquid value? We know what dealers are asking if I want to buy it, but what are they willing to pay if I want to sell them the one we bought to them? So you have to really understand trading. Another issue with the jewelry industry is it's very hard to capitalize, meaning borrow money to be in the game. Why is that? Because bankers don't understand it. They understand real estate, they understand vehicles, but they don't understand jewelry. And any time that a bank ends up with jewelry that was defaulted on, almost always they're in a bad way. Meaning when they go to sell it, they sell it for less than the money that was owed against it. So it's a highly specialized field. It takes a lot of capital and there's no margin for error and it compounds on you. So if you have a good finance brain, and a lot of jewelers don't put that first, but if you're really good with finance, cash flow, tax mitigation, understand trading and asset values, and understand putting the client first and that it's a client-centric business and built on relationships, you could get into it. But I would say the average person, there's other things to choose.